Good afternoon. This is Zachary from Zachary Sweeps. Just fitted these bird guards and caps for a customer. As you can see, that'll stop the rainwater coming in, and also the birds nesting in the chimneys. And also they'll be okay for open fires. The ones on the front and the ones on the back will be fine for the bedroom ones that they don't use anymore. I just thought I'd do, like I don't normally do this, but because I'm safely here on the scaffolding, I thought I would do a beautiful view of where I am and the views that I've got today. And as you can see, it is absolutely stunning. Just goes round and round and round and round. I can just keep going round. Round this way and round. Just incredible. Absolutely incredible. Amazing. Now I'm going to do a zoom in image so you can see, like see the South Downs in between the trees there, the train going past. So we'll start off around here. Hopefully the sun will come out, give us a bit more brightness. The South Downs are there. Go back there. Sussex, even though they're doing a lot of development in the area, completely habitat. The council are absolutely obsessed with money. And as you can see, our beautiful green area is slowly being very well overdeveloped. And unfortunately, let me just put myself in a better position on the scaffolding. Unfortunately, none of it doesn't seem to be going back into the community, which is very sad. Just incredible. Thought I'd share that. I don't normally do these. I only do them if I'm secure and safe, which I am very much today, but share that with you. Just stunning. Absolutely amazing. And I just want to say also with the bird guards, pretty straightforward to strap on, very easy to do. Come with a strap band, and they sit on there quite nicely. Got a rainwater cover top on them. Also have air vents, which are great for the ones at the back, as you can see. They allow a bit of smoke coming out of there, because we had to do a smoke test on them to make sure that they're all safe and sound and sealed. But I always put these lips up. A lot of people leave them down. I don't, I always put them up. And especially here as well, where the end of it is. You don't have to do it. I just do it just for, you know, just to give it that extra safeness on the chimney. But anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Zachary Sweeps. It's a bit more sunny. It's really weird. The sun's gone in at the moment. And it's up there somewhere. Look, in that cloud. But no doubt it'll be out in a minute. In fact, it's coming out now. So I think I might wait just a couple of minutes. A few more minutes. And that's going to be out looking beautiful.